In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most beneficent, I am student of optometry from the University of Faisalabad. The eye is one of the most complex and delicate organ in the body, so don't take chance with your vision. So the topic of my presentation is eye injury. What is an eye injury? An injury is defined as a physical or chemical hurt to the eye that can affect or impair vision and can lead to potentially blindness. Eye injuries ranges from minor bruises and scratches to serious laceration, fractures and burns. Here are some of more causes of eye injury in workplace. Eye injury from flying debris, spotting balls such as cricket ball, tennis ball, squash ball, football and other high-speed flying objects can strike the eye. Sign and symptoms of eye injury. Patient feels irritation, severe pain, redness, blur vision, watery eyes, and flecking of eyelids. Classification of eye injury based on open globe injury and closed globe injury. Open globe injury, there is a full of thickness injury of the eye wall. It includes globe rupture and globe laceration. Globe laceration is further divided into penetrating trauma and perforating trauma and an intraocular foreign body. The other one is closed globe injury. The eye globe is intact, but the 7 rings of the eye have been classically described by and affected by blunt trauma. It includes contusion, lamellar laceration, and superficial foreign body. Millions of eye injuries that take place of each year, almost half of them, 44%, occur in home and 40% during sports activities. Let's discuss most common types of eye injuries. The first one is scratches. Most commonly, an eye becomes scratched when a foreign body enters it and the individual then drops the eye in an attempt to remove the irritation. Foreign object. An object in the eye can be anything from an eyelash and dust to wood, splinters and food. Time and eye flashing can remove these objects. However, when a foreign object such as fish hook actually penetrates the eye, self-removal is a bad idea. Instead, getting to a doctor right. The third one is chemical burn. This type of injury often happens when a chemical is splashed into the eye or transferred from an individual hand. Finding out the type of chemical, acid or alkali. Acid can be washed out more easily than alkali. If eyes become red or blurry or do not remove after 24 hours, visit a doctor. The fourth one is flash burn. Burns to the eye come from sources such as sunlight, welding, and sun lamps, protecting eye against sunburn. Yes, your eyes can get a sunburn and taking precaution in welding and other situations. The last one is impacts. These type of injury often happen in sports and the result is usually a swollen black and blue eye. It's important to check for additional injuries such as broken eye socket or internal damage. So the most important thing, how to treatment these injuries. For chemical exposure, don't rub eyes, immediately wash out the eye, get medical help and don't bandage the eye. For foreign particle, don't rub the eye, pull the upper lid down and blink rapidly. If particle is still there, rinse with eye wash. If rising does not help, close eye, bandage it lightly and see a doctor. This is end of my presentation. Thank you for listening. And most important thing, don't forget to thank Allah because you have eyes to read the message and see this beautiful world.